Here are some strategies. When you're looking at the graph, look for x-intercepts. Those are some special points. We could write it from factored form. So look for x-intercepts. What's another special point we could look for? The vertex. Could also look for the y-intercept. These are all clues we could take from the graph to write the equation. Then you're going to choose which form, okay? And I would encourage you to go back to your quick notes to look at those. I'm not going to rewrite them. You could choose vertex form, intercept form, or standard form based on the information that's given. Look for an a value, okay? You could either find the a value from the graph, or, like we did in our examples, you might have to solve for the a value. The last thing is, always use the symmetry of the parabola. That's going to help you with some clues. Right now we're going to do 1, 2, and 3 in the check for understanding. I want you to look at these strategies. I want you to ask yourself, what are we starting with? Do we know the vertex? Do we know the intercepts? What form should we write it in? Can we find the a value? So with your group, I want you to do 1, 2, and 3. Let's look at number 1. A lot of you did a great job. You had the vertex. So you had that it was x squared, x plus 4 squared minus 1. The a value, a lot of us are not looking to the next whole point. It goes right 1, down 2. It goes left 1, down 2. So that a value has to be negative 2. Okay? Number 2, you have x-intercepts. Okay, if we picked up our phone already, let's put it down right now. Okay? For number 2, we have the x-intercept, so we're going to do reverse zero product property, meaning I want 0 to appear to get my factor. So x plus 4 has to be a factor. When I add 6 to both sides, x plus 6 has to be a factor. I'm still going to put an a out front to solve for in a second. I think what people are getting caught up on is the y-intercept. What is x when you have a y-intercept of 72? What's your x going to be always for y-intercepts? 0. From here, I was looking for you to plug it in. Plug in 72 for y, plug in 0 for x, and solve for your a. Did anyone get that far? Did they solve for a? What did you get, Natalie? 3. When you solve it, you should get a is 3. That's it. We just are writing the equation. So it should be y equals 3 times x plus 4 times x plus 6.